জামায়াতের আমির বলেছেন যে যদি তারা ক্ষমতায় আসে তাহলে নারীদের কর্মঘণ্টা প্রতিদিন 5 ঘন্টা হবে। তাহলে বাংলাদেশের নারী কর্মী আছে 20 লক্ষ। 8 ঘন্টার পরিবর্তে 5 ঘন্টা কাজ করলে সরকার ও দেশের ক্ষতি হবে অনেকে মনে করছে।
The Emir of the Jamaat said that if they come to power, women's working hours will be 5 hours daily.
Besides, if we work only 5 hours a day, the men won't accept it because transfer and promotion are related to the amount of work.
Dalawang-80 reakwesen bordat kriminalitedamen shkikarum portaf arbeidsam og
If they may lessons, many people think that if they work 5 hours instead of 8, it will harm both the government and the country. Moreover, no organization will want to hire women thinking that the no work minors okay by day. Jobless women will be less valued, their future will become confined to the kitchen. Then women will be oppressed and abused. Moreover, women live alongside men in every profession, and they've asked as doctors, police officers, teachers, and nurses.
The president said the sacrifice of the July warriors has made the path of the nation's progress easy and smooth.